Heard he talking to them people, so I gotta deal with him. Clip was too short, so I had to go extend it. Bitch, I'm out the game, please don't make me steal niggas. Your clique full of bitch niggas, they know that we build different. Oh yeah, I'm built different, yeah, Key, he build different. Ooh, KG, I'm built different. 700 trill nigga, they know that we build different, gang.
Y'all gave Ricky the main event?
Shit!
I was doing some shit. But some people said I didn't deserve the spot. Fuck. But I'ma still prove to y'all what I can do. Hey, look at that shit right there. Now I just fucking tell them to make sure I can control the room.
Shit, bad with it!
Nothing changed. Just take them off. Just take them off. Y'all gave me A+. When you know you bitch, that means that nigga shoot A. Plus all the niggas he came with. Welcome to Blacksmith. When you gotta look your killer in the eyes before you die. But when Marcus and John in the room, I ain't gotta lift my 9. I know they got me. I can afford a cot. I promise you don't wanna take this shit outside.
Turn up, Rick. Turn up, Rick. Turn up. Hey, turn up.
I promise you don't wanna take this shit outside. Cause a lot of niggas been sleeping on me, but it's time to wake them up. So whatever you bought for me tonight, it ain't enough. I just walk on stage and heart check just to see which one of your niggas gonna do me something. I'm that thorough.
Talk to him!
I'm that thorough. I'm doing this shit for K Slim, cause he didn't kill you the first time. Headshot, split your brain in two. You should have followed your first mind. Oh, that ain't enough? I'm finna make this a worse killing. Stomach shot, then I kick you over. It's gonna be hard to ignore your gut feeling. Come on, man. What? It's gonna be hard to ignore your gut feeling, cause first, you gotta show me what that action about.
Then what?
Cause I'ma fuck you up. I'ma really do you wrong. Cause when I'm in the atmosphere, the Toros ain't chillin' for your squad, nigga. Bring it on.
Talk that cheerleader shit!
When I'm in the atmosphere, the Toros ain't cheering for your squad, nigga. Bring it on. He gonna tell y'all he gonna catch me in the alley with a double barrel like they did that other. Nah. They ain't gonna have my shit. Cause I'm here with a big bitch. Click. One eye on a child story and slick brick. What? Type of shit? One eye on a child story and slick brick. That ain't it. I came with some slicker shit. That ain't it. I came with some slicker shit.
Talking shit, man.
That ain't it. I came with some slicker shit. Madman, green body. I gave your girl that pickle rip. Yes, I'm him. You really came from Mississippi to Ricky City? That's a little risky. I bet you if you was a drink and I was a drink, you'll Mississippi me.
That's slick, boy.
You really came from Mississippi to Ricky City? That's a little risky. I bet you if you was a drink and I was a drink,
You Mississippi me.
They would have even took this shot in your hood. They would have found you in Mississippi dead. Y'all ain't hear me. I told them to take these shots. But if you Mississippi dead. They would have even took this shot in your hood. They would have found you in Mississippi dead. Y'all ain't hear me. I told them to take these shots. But if you
Mississippi dead.
You really came from Mississippi. Well, niggas ain't really ready for that beef. Somebody should have told them this is y'all. We ain't got no sidewalks. So niggas gotta be in the streets. You really came from Mississippi. Well, niggas ain't really ready for that beef. Somebody should have told you this beyond. We ain't got no sidewalks. So niggas gotta be in the streets. Why you put that nigga versus that nigga? When I'm the one with the skills. He forced me to take it to the dark side, one light ball, and turn him into a Skywalker for real. And he got a son. So peep this. He got a son, so peep this. We're trying to block my shine. This little moon will make everybody in the solar system eclipse. Oh! Keep talking, nigga. Keep talking. Please.
I'm not going
Make everybody in your solar system eclipse. This what happens when you put a nigga ring with me, can't hang with me. Time.
Hey, what's up with this Black Smith?
What's up?
This is my first round, so I'm gonna need y'all help. Repeat after me. Ricky C.
Ricky C.
He don't spare none.
He don't swear none.
Cool. So I know what it is. black mask, black gloves, loaded gun. When I come to your crib to get the job done, it's gonna be the same way you open up your wine. I don't spur none. It's gonna be like you shot your own little boy, Marvin Gaye, cause the pop killed his son. It's madness. It's madness. Nigga, you in for a hell of a night. If I let that old ratchet sing, it'll touch your soul. Gladys Knight. You the Superman in this league? Well, nigga, I'm your kryptonite. Catch me slipping? I doubt it. I'm quick to clap you. I keep the metal dog Axel. I'm A+. I am what great is defined. Keep this venue in mind, cause with a blacksmith, I'll get rid of you and your whole bloodline too. Nigga, you used to hoop. Bars. Oh, what? You used to hoop, so you know it's suicide. I know real soldiers, ready to go to war with ice long before. My cougar going through a midlife crisis. Say the word and somebody get popped. 99-22-12. I'm a big player. Eat chicken, thank Popeyes. Cause forever get chicken put in a box. The chopper work like boat colors, cause they'll take off the locks. But random, KTL was throwing dirt on my name. Nigga, that shit super foul. 50 cal on KTL. Y'all gonna think I was trying to kill Eminem. Ask me why. Cause I can hit the white boy from 8 miles. But back to Ricky. I heard you crip. So I really hope that's how you living. Cause I leave you throwing no blood, it's like you sick tripping. Nah. I got a different vision, even more tragic. I leave C, R.I.P. Now Ricky Banker crip in a casket. He said Mississippi ain't bad. He said Mississippi ain't bad. When my niggas swarm beat off, it won't be the first time Louisiana seen the flood. It's ironic. Yes. It's like that.
We still recovering.
It's like that, nigga. I said, I'm from Mississippi. He said Mississippi ain't bad. He from beat off. This ain't gonna be the first time Louisiana seen the flood, but it's ironic. He banging crip, but after a couple of shots, he can't live without blood. You the king? When you finna get your crown took, I think I may know his girl. Green dot on her. I'ma let it wave about her. I caught her while she was active on Facebook. Oh, dumbass nigga. You dumb, nigga. The only way you can take A+ down is in a grade book. Niggas lied to me. They told me you was nice. See, I wanted to battle an old boy, but he ain't have a heart. So you gotta die just to save another nigga life. Organ donor. So when I let the ride wave, it'll hit single. That's gonna have to put Ricky Hart on ice. When I post on Shack on the Block, you know I got big diesel. Try to run off when you purchase a pack. Demon mask. Last thing witnesses seen was a demon face. Cops gonna charge shot easy. Hey, but real shit though. Like real shit. When my mom found out I had a gun, she was mad. My mom was mad when she found out I had a gun. Her baby boy really wild. I told my mama I'd keep the peace just to condone the violence. I got a Spanish shooter that'll catch you on your Uno, give you dose, cause he done trace your spot. You a king? Nah, I think not. Y'all will see King down like when LeBron fought. I tell my Spanish shooter that had Ricky close to a big beach, like an income tax drop, or put a big wire on my back nigga chest. He play with the clock. I'm a real ass nigga, cause I told my dogs I wouldn't talk about your brother, cause that's a low blow. I'm here to kill you. That's an accident, cause you can get here with the Mac or the silver rod though. It's either draw the talk or keep talking. But your best bet is to stay with the flame. And no matter what, I always stay on your A game, nigga.
Time for the second, let's fucking work. Bitch. Bitch, I told your baby mama to put you on child support.
Wow.
I told his baby mama to put him on child support.
Wow.
Because we need more snacks for the house. I done ate up all the honey buns, the fruit snacks, the candy, you know, the stuff you gotta dip. You know what I'm talking about. I told myself I wasn't even gonna try too hard. Cause I really get bored battling. I'm the type of busting your girl off and make her see the future. That means I came in the head like foreshadowing. You thought you was staying with Ricky C, bitch? You thought you was gonna come up here and old smooth talk me, bitch? Nah! That ain't my shit. Cause y'all know what's next. I'm aiming at his neck. Hit him with that boo bop, bop, bop. And then the sound effect. And if your girl jump in, I ain't even gonna hit her. I'ma just open palm smush her shit. But if she keep coming, I'ma use the burner. Tina Turner, what your love got to do with it? This is what happens. This is what happens when you put a nigga in a ring with me that can't hang with me because my shoulder's nice. This nigga can't swing with me. When I pick up the phone and call my shooter, bitch, my phone ring.
Let's go.
My phone ring. Two arms in. Whoa. On some kung fu shit. When I'm around get you and your crew in. Big shot that shit. Fuck around and knock a piece off a nigga. Jump with my brother with a gun. Leave from this nigga. Just drop it. Why? I said I'm about to go crazy. Not crazy. Like a baby. What baby? Some shit with some block in it. I told my bro I need a gun big enough for the clip to just drop in it. I said I'm about to go crazy. How's crazy? Like a baby. What baby? I need some shit with some block in it. So don't make a move over. Move over. You better not flinch. Cause I keep that stick between that shit like how when I groceries to mix. Me and you can never be on the same shit. I can do the broom challenge with a pistol. That means I can leave a whole stick standing up. This nigga said, I ain't smooth in real life unless I'm on stage rapping. I said, nigga, I'm me for every situation. I ain't acting, nigga. I don't even have to touch a URL stage and I still come up here and smack you, nigga. Who was you playing with? It's fair none on my air one, boy. You think since you got finger guns, I ain't got finger guns? Boy, you ain't the only one. You talking to this nigga, man. Yeah, this the only one. This the nigga that's supposed to beat me. This the nigga that's supposed to take my crown. But if he touch me, then disappoint. You let me down. You really think that boy's upset. Beat me.
Come on.
Take my crown. If he touch me, then disappoint.
Like you let me down.
Like them niggas you wig gonna protect you? You don't think that's a bad move? When I really had to sharpen my pistol for this battle? Now look what that shit led to. I really had to sharpen my pistol for this battle. Now look what that shit led to. Your mama a fiend, my mama a queen, so you know you in trouble. If I see Caitlin Weaver, I'm putting my Mac down like I don't eat McDoubles. And your old lady ordered the booty club. So you know I had to make a scheme out of this one. Your old lady working the booty club. So you know I had to make a scheme out of this one. I could get every female experience in the checker. Straight up. I could get every female experience in the checker. Because you know I had to, look at me, nigga. I could get every female experience. You know I had to bring a team out for this one. I ain't throwing hands, I'm throwing bullets, nigga. I'm just trying to see if she can weave her way out of this one. I'm different. I'm different. I really bought chains to drop pounds on bitches. I'm different. I really bought chains to drop pounds on bitches.
Let him rap. Let him rap.
Hey, round two. You ready? Hey, he just threw chain on me.
That's your bed when you right there.
He's talking more my round. That's a big. He said he wouldn't. This nigga broke. I did the pocket cheat. Hey, look. Hey, look. Hey, look, I just did so much better in the hood that I think God was still alive. Like, for real. No cap. I really been protected by them ghetto angels. I said barrel on the gun, so you can't hear a sound. See, I brought extra ammo? Yeah. Just in case you said something about a bitch in my round, yeah. So guess what? For all that acting you doing, I got a sting. Thank Grassley. Because I let 2 cans bust over your head like Stone Cold. I'm not mankind. I'll spin your bitch block in a stove. Put some over the arm and put it in her mouth like Mick Foley. Nigga, I'm sick. Nigga, I'm sick. Nigga, I'm sick.
All right.
Yeah, I'm sick. I nicknamed the chopper HBK because of the kid. Nah. Because it split weeds and it separate you from your bitch. They said heartbreak kid, his son Michael. I'm above average. I'm above average. It ain't easy. I got it on me. And I'll catch you on the corner and you will get hit with the butt like Rikishi. Nigga, I'm super insane. You will be in a casket like the Undertaker after I set all 4 corners on fire like Kane. I watched your last battle and seen your mans do a pocket check. Well, that was y'all error. Because you will get dropped with 1 at the Desert Eagle. The other 6 for your power barrels. And I mean what I said.
Jesus. Jesus.
And I mean what I said. And I mean what I said. And I meant what I said. And I said, you would get dropped with 1 at the Desert Eagle. The other 6 for your power barrels. And I meant what I said. He Lil Uzi Vert. Because all your friends are dead. I'm known to spaz. Because I ain't got a lot of patience. So you use the leg to write your balls on paper and to get up here and make a statement. Difference is, I really had to use the leg to make a statement. It ain't shit to show you what my life about. I done seen niggas take the road to the grave or sale. All they did was have me choose a different route. But you take one of mine. It's automatic. Sentence out. I'ma raise it. Nigga, I'ma raise it to whatever measures. Smooth player. I can sell sand in the desert. Y'all didn't catch that, so pause. I was just showing y'all I can still touch keys if I was blind like Ray Charles. Ricky not a shooter. Ricky not a shooter. 40 in his face, that's a flirtatious cougar. It be niggas dream to be A+. It be niggas dream to be A+. It be A+ on the big stage until I turn it into a nightmare. I'm Freddy Krueger. I loaded my clip to the max just to come out my pocket and give you 10. And let my bro give you 10. The shit remind me of when we used to go in on the dub sack, but stretch that. Cause y'all say you go dumb, well I go dumber. I told my dog stretch off. I wanted a lottery ticket, but he brought me a gun with no cereal. That's for real, nigga. Fuck a battle rap friend. I'm doing this shit to get richer. Now they think I'm lying. I'm like, say, bro, snap it up. But Deuce behind his head like I'm trying to fuck up the picture. I'm nice with the hand. Nigga, so you can catch the fade. Now I'm a real street nigga, so it's back to the guns. I let the heat retire Ricky like the Wayne Wade. I finish sun with sunglasses on. I'm feeling like Johnny Cage. I'm cut from a different cloth. You will never find this in life. Use the blade to cut through his metal. That's fruit slice. Then tell him to hold his head up like I'm giving him good advice. It's either draw the talk or get talk, but your best bet is to stay with the flame, and no matter what, I always stay on your A game, nigga.
I'm the chosen one. And this is what happens when focus meets opportunity. My star power activates. So I dare to try me. One flash I have them trying to find light in the dark, like a silver lining, I'm on you. I'm on you. You ain't really ready to die for this? Because I don't like to talk online. I'd rather see you face to face. I'm from the bottom. I can tell if a nigga real or not just from the way his shoes lace. I'm that yeah. And I can tell. You ain't never have to sneak out your house because you had to be on stage. You ain't never have to sit down with your girl just so you could teach her how to pray. You ain't never have to get a job just so your family could eat when it was all bad. Nigga, you ain't never lose your brother to this country, go to his funeral, and all you get is his dog tag. Nigga, I got a homie named LV who caught a body doing time to this day. I had to look at the pain in this girl's eyes when they took him because I know that shit hurt. But the nigga that he killed was 40, so they gave him 40. That just showed me how karma worked. Nigga. That just showed me how karma worked. And all my nigga wanted to do was make music. I can remember him sitting at the table, writing rhymes, waiting on somebody big to sign him. Now I'm the one on stage, teaching my people how to raise the bar and not live behind it. After Styles killed you, nigga didn't hear about you for years. Now it's Ricky to the rescue. I'm here to save your career. So, what? Application killed you? And Styles? Nigga, they hear about you for years. Now it's Ricky to the rescue. I'm here to save your career. So if any form of disappear, then disappear. Fuck a leg shot, I'm trying to hit disappear.
Yeah.
What?
Disappear? That's crazy.
Disappear. Fuck a leg shot, I'm trying to hit disappear. I can't tell you what you're not about to do. Because this paper versus backwards. The way I roll up with the smoke, they just know I'm hitting harder than you. My favorite part of your rounds is when nobody responds to you. I should throw My favorite part of your rounds is when nobody responds to you. I should throw your body in your trunk and speed down the street. Because this BR, where the speed limit is whatever song you're listening to. Y'all thought he was making money? He don't. Y'all thought he was going to beat me in this battle?
He won't.
Yeah. I just came to put A on a shirt like Alvin and the Chipmunks. Nigga, I'm dangerous when I'm by myself. What? I just came to put A on the shirt like Alvin and the Chipmunks. I'm dangerous when I'm by myself. And you might want to ask one of them for help. What? I'm dangerous when I'm by myself. You might want to ask him for help. You feel me? That one right there. Yeah, you might want to ask him for some help. Because y'all got a nigga with only gun bars versus a nigga with everything else. What happens when fire meets water? I extinguish it, right? What, this black chicken versus white chicken. I seasoned it. I was made to win it. Going crazy in it. Because everybody want a piece of the king cake, till they find a baby in it.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I said I was made to win it. Going crazy in it. Because everybody want a piece of the king cake.
Till they find a baby in it.
Fuck racing, back to pacing. You was trying to touch my side when you missed on my whole gang get the buzzing. Like operation, you don't get stored out, Ricky. Nah, because I came to shoot you. I already knew that you was a snake ass bitch on top like Medusa. Me and you, I knew that you was a snake ass bitch on top like Medusa. Me and you could never be on the same shit. You a hoe. Your beard weird. Your breath stank. Your baby mama don't suck dick right. You're dirty. Them shoes you wore to this battle, you fucked up. We need crip shit, bitch shit, real nigga, cold nigga. Who brought this nigga in there? Nobody knows, nigga. Good time.
I said, yo. I know it's kind of backwards because I normally introduce myself first, but I had a strategy for Ricky. I said, yo, they say why you call yourself A+, and you really from the hood. Because you know, anytime A+ report on the car, it's always good, but A+ versus Ricky C, well, first off, when it's beef, I'm wherever Ricky be, with a loaded shotgun. Whoever around might escape, but you gon' suffer. Ricky gon' catch the pump to his back like Doughboy, brother. If y'all knew that was coming, well, let me finish it good, because I'll spin your block with the AR. The clip long enough to kill all the boys in the hood. Black Smith, what's good? I knew you was gonna bring some niggas to hype your lines, but I wrote this smoking gas, so I don't need no gas for my balls. I just wanna know who ran with Ricky. 1, 2, 3, cool. Ain't none of y'all making it to your calls.
That was nice. That was nice.
Y'all dumb for fucking with dude. Alright, let me start talking. Then use the blade to cut off your conversation. I'm hella rude. Ricky tough as nails? Good, because we brought them hammers. That means you hella screwed. So you better watch how you trigger me, Nina, or the cougar. I ain't no which bitch to blame. Polygamy. I'm really from the hood. This rapping, just a gift. This my first time here, but I'm already experienced with carrying a blacksmith. I'm no chef, but niggas love when I cook. Since Ben put you to the test, I gotta teach you a lesson. You just another name in my grade book. Real life balls. Nigga, I ain't just up here running my lip. Bah! Back shot. It was always crazy how Ricky lost his scholarship. I'm a known savage. I'm a known savage.
That's one.
I'm a known savage. Even if y'all think Ricky C good, but I'm above average. Beat me, I pity the fool. A versus C, but ain't shit cool. I'm in a trap surrounded by sticks and 8 balls. Bitch, I ain't playing pool. Ricky C? Nah, Ricky Coward. I've been defending the block with 3 9s, the White Howard. Y'all somebody pray for me? Y'all better pray for my aunt. I'm the one running around with the Grim Reaper. Ricky don't want to be saved. Good riddance. You said he your diver. Well, he in some deep water. You should have told him he could die from a wave. A+, I'm with the shit. like a blind man, I keep a stick. You ain't heard? I fucking slaughter. The ratchet, I leave Ricky hurt. He caught his girl fucking with his main partner. Pulling off a caper, it's like my motherfucking gig. See, plan A was to just wild Ricky for the stage. But you ain't wanna come up with it. That's something you shouldn't have did. So it's plan B.
We gonna kill the kid!
1K, yeah, cause it's like that, nigga. I said plan A was to just rob Ricky for the stage, but he didn't want to come up with it. That's something he should have did. So it's plan B. We gonna kill a kid, 1K on your head. I can get you touched for a bang. See, I was a little boy who survived in the jungle. Tarzan, fuck your struggle balls. I'd rather put more effort in my hustle. You should give it a try. Every time I come in contact with a bird, I beat it down like Peter on Family Guy. A plus, it's greatness when I show my appearance. It's either draw the talk or get talk. But your best bet is to stay with the flame. And no matter what, I always stay on your A game.
Yeah! 1,000. Well, we'd like to thank y'all for coming out. Oh, man. You ain't got to go home. You got to get your clad.
Man, hit me up, bro.
Thank you, bro.
No problem, man.
Please, man. Let me know.
You want to send me an inbox?
Yeah, send me an inbox. Hey, listen to me. I'm about to write you up. I'm gonna put on my Tasha hat right now. I'm about to write you up. Because bullying is not permitted. What? It's not permitted in this classroom, bro. You really think that? I thought they was playing on this.
Hey, look. Hey,